Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video on my channel. My name is Ankita. So in this video I'm going to share with you a few party wear clothing pieces that I picked up from Amazon during their wardrobe refresh sale. So the sale is going to start from the 17th of December and you will get 50 to 80% discount on a huge variety of products. So you can get the best quality products at budget friendly rates, and the best part is that Amazon provides fast delivery. So just make the most of the sale and get whatever you require. So I bought some amazing pieces of clothing at huge discounts, and I also bought a very versatile eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to share all of that with you. So if you are looking for Christmas and New Year party outfits, and if you like black clothing pieces, then you will love this video. And I'm going to share a few different options, so I think you will find something that you like according to your taste. So if you want to know what all I got and how I styled them in this video, please continue watching. I wanted to share a little bit of my makeup in this video, so I've done like a really nice black smoky eye makeup, and I have also used a little bit of a shimmer shadow from this My Glam palette, and it is their collaboration with Manish Malhotra. It's their 9-pan eyeshadow palette. It comes with a really nice mirror and it has all of these amazing shades. It's got a black, a greyish blue matte shade and sort of a shimmery greyish blue shade. So I've used only these 3 eyeshadows from this palette to create this look, and I think it looks really nice, and I could create this look like in 2 minutes, and the eyeshadows are also quite easy to use. Then you also get a really nice brown shade that you can use like a transition shade, and you have a sparkly glittery golden shade and a couple of other shimmer shades. So this palette has all of the shades that you can use to create multiple party makeup looks. I think this is a very useful palette to have. You can definitely go for this. And for my lips, I'm wearing a mix of 2 shades. So I've mixed both of these shades from Maybelline. The first one that I used was Touch of Spice, and then I topped it up with Nude Nuance. I wanted to go for a nude shade with this kind of an eye makeup, so I created my own custom shade, and both of these paired together looks fantastic. The first piece of clothing that I have is beautiful, really long maxi dress. This is from the brand Only. It's a strappy maxi dress, and the quality is amazing. You can see the shimmer on this dress, and this is such a party appropriate outfit. This dress is actually really long. If you're short like me, I'm only 5'2", you will definitely need to wear high heels with it. It comes with a zip on the side, and the material is quite stretchy and really comfortable. It also has a lining, but it can get a little see-through, so the safest option is to wear like a long slip inside. I know since it's December, it's not the time to wear such strappy dresses, so what you can do is wear this over a black turtleneck. That way this dress will look amazing and you will not even freeze in cold. Or you can also do something that I did in this video, that is pairing it up with a jacket. So I paired up this dress with a really beautiful jacket that I will show next. And it's such a nice shimmery outfit. You do not even need a lot of accessories with it. Maybe just carry a black clutch and that is it. The second thing that I got is this gorgeous black blazer or jacket. This one is so smart, and it's a little bit feminine as well because of the lace detail that you get out here. I hope it's visible on camera. You also get a little bit of lace trim on the bottom. The quality of this jacket is amazing. This one is from the brand Kazo, and if you're wearing a strappy dress, you can use it like a cover up. It's such a nice party wear jacket. So you can definitely pair it up with your dresses, or if you want to create like a casual look, you can always pair it up with your jeans and t-shirt to elevate the outfit and turn it into something special. So this is the second piece of clothing that I bought. The next piece is this beautiful jumpsuit. So this one is also like a strappy jumpsuit, and the top has a little bit of sequins. I hope you can see. The sequins are not over the top. The top part also has a little bit of smoking or ruching detail, and the rest of it is absolutely plain. It's got a zip on the side. You also get pockets, and this is also from Kazo. The quality of this is also really nice. So I'm absolutely in love with the quality of Kazo clothing. Like the maxi dress, you can also pair this one up with the jacket, and that way you will not feel cold and you will also look stylish. If you don't want to wear a dress, you can definitely try a jumpsuit, and since it's got a little bit of special detail out here on top, this one will be really party appropriate. Moving on to the last and final item. So I bought this beautiful dress. It's a velvet dress from Vero Moda. It's a short dress. This is a beautiful off-shoulder dress, and it's got these pearl details on top. It looks beautiful, and it's quite a thick material. Velvet is a thick fabric, so you will not feel that cold in this, but since it's quite short, you can pair this one up with high boots, and that way you will be very comfortable. You can also wear like really pretty pearl earrings with it. I'm just carrying a really nice metallic clutch bag with it, and that is it. You do not need to do a lot with outfits like these. Black, according to me, is a very safe color, so if you do not know what to wear, definitely go for black, and it always looks nice. So that is it. These were all the items that I wanted to share in this video, and I think all of these outfits are just perfect for the upcoming festivals and parties. If you want, you can definitely check these out. I'll have all the links in the description box. I really hope you found this video useful. If you did, then don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and also please do subscribe to my channel. You can check out other videos on my channel right here, and I'm sure you're going to love them. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to see you very soon in my next video. Bye.